Alrighty, guys, real quick, let's talk. Y'all see this right here? Let me push this button. Now, y'all see that? Push button to start. You know what that means? That's the only way to get your car to start at this point. It's amazing how people still not familiar with the features of their own car. Now, obviously, there's a problem, right? This car was towed in. This is a 20-something Journey. I can't remember. Because this push to start, what you're supposed to do is put your foot on the brake and push the button. But as you can see, what happens when that happens, that means the signal from this key is not reaching the RFH hub, okay? So either one or two things, guys. The batteries is bad in this, or the key fob is just internally shorted, okay? Now, I have a scan tool. I can go in and verify which one it is. But if you don't have a scan tool, just stick a battery in the damn thing, okay? No need to spend, I don't know, what are tow trucks these days, $200? All right, now I'm going to show you how to get this car started. It's simple. Follow the instructions as it says right here. This wasn't always here, guys. They just decided to put this here. Push button to start. Take the nosebleed of the key and get this. You see that? Yeah, that's how you start the car in the event. Because without this, let's say, let me try it without using the nosebleed of the key. Feet on the brake. Nothing. Take the nosebleed of the key. All right. I need y'all to understand that and know that, okay? Now, again, you may just simply need a battery, or you can need a key. You got to be diagnosed.